Excel is a very powerful program and offers a large number of tools, options, commands, etc. We will get to know many of them and we will normally work very effectively with this program, but it is possible that at some point we might need to use a function, a program, a routine that we don't know too much about. In this case, there is help available. Here we have the button with the question mark, which is the Microsoft Excel help function. We can also, as is usual, hit the phone key and load the help function of, say, another office environment, specifically that of Excel. There are some introductory articles or articles about the topics they think it is most common to ask for help for. But anyway, in any case, there is a search function that we can use to search for the word which, for example, the word cell, or if I want to know something about or get an explanation about the use of cells. Here they will tell us how to make, well, everything they have classified in the search engine under the word cell.
It is also very common to consult a table of contents.
We know exactly what we want to do, but well, here it is all ordered by topics so that we can browse and find what we want. For example, in general we will work with spreadsheets. We open the menu item, browse the topics, and for example, I want to write data. Well, here I have the relevant articles available in the Office Help function, which tell us how to enter data in Excel. So knowing that we have this help available might be useful at a given point.